Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, August 19, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hi David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Just need this coffee to wake up. It's a busy day ahead.
I know, right? I've got a big meeting later.
Same here. Always running around for sales. Gotta keep the numbers up.
You're always on the move. How do you stay so energetic?
Coffee, my friend. Lots of coffee and a good chat to start the day.
Fair enough. This coffee machine is my best friend too.
Totally. Hey, did you see the news about the US and China trade thing?
Yeah, I did. They agreed to pause tariff hikes for now?
That's good for business, right? No extra costs on stuff we sell.
True, it helps keep prices stable. It's a big deal for the economy.
I hope it lasts. We don't need more headaches with clients complaining.
Exactly. It's nice to see the two big economies working together for once.
Yeah, fingers crossed. Less stress for us in sales, that's for sure.
Let's hope they keep talking. It's better for everyone around the world.
Totally. If prices stay steady, I can close more deals easily.
And I can plan projects without worrying about budget changes. It's a win.
For sure. Hey, my clients are always asking about costs.
I bet. This news might give them some peace of mind.
Hope so. I'm tired of explaining price jumps every other day.
I get it. Stability is key for planning anything in business.
Right? Hey, speaking of news, did you hear about the new tech thing?
What tech thing? I missed it.
There's this new app for managing work tasks. It's all over the news.
Oh, really? That sounds useful for projects?
Yeah, it's supposed to help with deadlines and stuff. I might try it for my sales calls.
I need something like that. My team is always missing updates.
Maybe it'll save us from all those long emails. I hate typing.
Me too. Do you know if it's free or paid?
Not sure, but I think there's a free version. I'll check it out later.
Let me know if it's good. I'm curious now.
Will do. I'm always looking for ways to make work easier.
Same here. Managing tasks is half my day sometimes.
Tell me about it. I've got notes everywhere. It's a mess.
Haha. Maybe this app will organize your life. Fingers crossed.
Hope so. I need less chaos when I'm chasing clients.
And I need less stress when I'm tracking project steps. Let's see.
Deal. I'll test it and give you the scoop soon.
Thanks. I'm always up for a good tech tip.
No problem. Oh, and did you see the news about that huge music festival?
No, what festival? Tell me.
It's a big one with famous singers. They're expecting like 50,000 people.
Wow, that's huge. Where is it happening?
Somewhere in Europe, I think. I saw it on the news this morning.
That sounds fun. I miss going to concerts.
Me too. Imagine taking a day off just to go.
Yeah, but I'd need to finish 3 projects first. No time.
Same here. Always chasing clients. But hey, maybe we watch it online.
Good idea. I'll look for a live stream or something.
Cool, let me know if you find one. I'd love to see it after work.
Sure, I'll send you a message. It's nice to relax with music sometimes.
Totally, we need a break from all this office stuff. Work, work, work.
Yeah, it's nonstop. But I like staying busy.
True, keeps the day moving. I can't sit still anyway.
I get that. I like having a full schedule too.
Hey, how's your project going anyway? Any updates?
It's okay, just a lot of planning. What about your sales?
Pretty good. Got 2 new clients this week. I'm happy.
Nice job. That's great to hear.
Thanks. Gotta keep pushing. Every deal counts.
For sure. I'm just trying to keep my team on track.
I bet that's tough. Sales is easier just me and the phone.
Sometimes I wish I worked alone. Less meetings.
Tell me about it. Meetings are the worst sometimes.
Yeah, but they're part of the job. Can't avoid them.
True. Coffee's done, by the way. Grab yours.
Oh, thanks for reminding me. I almost forgot mine.
No problem. Can't start the day without it.
So true. I feel half asleep without coffee.
Huh? Same. It's like my fuel for the day.
Mine too. I don't know how people work without it.
No idea. Hey, did you finish that report yet?
Not yet. I'm working on it now. It's taking forever.
I get it. Reports are the worst. I avoid them if I can.
Lucky you. I have to do them every week.
Ouch, better you than me. I stick to phone calls.
Fair enough. We all have our battles.
Yep, that's office life. Always something to do.
Right. Hey, did you talk to the boss about the new schedule?
Not yet, I'll do it later. Did you?
Yeah, I asked yesterday. It's still not clear.
Oh, typical. They never decide fast.
I know. I just want to plan my week.
Same here. I've got trips coming up for sales.
Busy times. I hope they tell us soon.
Me too. I hate last-minute changes.
Same. It messes up everything I'm working on.
Totally. Hey, back to that trade news. Do you think prices will drop?
Maybe a little. It depends on the final deal.
I hope so. Clients always complain about costs.
Yeah, it's tough. But this pause is a good start.
For sure. Keeps things steady for now.
Let's see what happens next. I'm curious.
Me too. I just want smooth deals with no surprises.
I get it. Stability helps with long-term plans too.
Exactly. Hey, about that app, I think it syncs with email.
Oh, that's handy. I need everything in one place.
Yeah, no more jumping between apps. Saves time.
I'll download it tonight. Thanks for the tip.
No worries. Let me know if it works for you.
I will. I'm always looking for better tools.
Same. Anything to make the day easier?
For sure. Tech can be a lifesaver sometimes.
Ah, true. I'm not great with it, but I try.
You'll get the hang of it. Just takes practice.
Hope so. And that festival, I bet there's tons of clips online.
Probably. I'll search for videos after work.
Do it. I want to see the big performances.
Me too. It's nice to see big events like that.
Yeah. Makes me feel connected to the world, not just office stuff.
True. We need some fun news sometimes.
For sure. Can't be all work and no play.
Exactly. It's good to have a balance.
Totally. Hey, I think my meeting is in 10 minutes.
Oh, mine too. Better get moving.
Yeah, let's go. See you later, Alex.
See you, David. Have a good day.
You too. Catch up soon.
For sure. Take care.
Will do. Let's keep the coffee chats going.
Haha, always. It's the best part of the day.
No doubt. See ya.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.